I'm actually recording it on video. That's pretty with the lights going on. Yeah, the lights makes it even better. Hey, this is not a bad. This is not going to turn out to be too bad of a video. I can stop the rain from getting to my phone. Here, it's raining too much. Take my phone and just keep it held up. It's already recording.
Better get in and roll the windows up.
Yeah, I'm going to roll this thing up right here.
It's coming a downpour. I feel sorry for all these people.
That's their fault. You want to close it, just roll it up right here. See what I'm doing?
I know.
You're still getting here. That's
Isn't
pretty.
that beautiful?
No kidding. That's better than downtown.
Oh, yeah. All those people are getting soaked.
Can't help that. You see, we're right here where we can just get out with no problem.
That's pretty.
That is. All thing you had to do on here was press that video word right there and then press that red
I
button.
did it.
and you're recording.
I did it. Ooh, look at that one.
Yeah. By far better job than downtown was last year.
Ooh. That's beautiful.
It actually is.
That must be the end. No? They've spent some money.
I'd say that's at least $500,000.
I wouldn't think so, but
I would. I bet you anything's been at least $250,000.
you know one thing, they're beautiful.
They are.
Absolutely
And they've
beautiful.
done it, multiple at a time. Yeah, that's pretty.
Beautiful, beautiful,
That's
beautiful.
like Disney World.
Look.
Yeah.
That's probably the finale. Oh, how gorgeous.
Yeah, that's phenomenal. Just keep recording to the very end.
What's that?
Well, I will assure you, they're going to shoot them all off. They paid for them. That's about to be the end of it.
Look at that. Ooh.
That's their finale.
Look at how it's lighting the sky up. That's wild looking.
Too hard now for them to shoot off.
Oh, look at all these people soaking wet.
Alright, you know.